FUPOL, Intelligent Tools for Policy Design.
Welcome. This podcast contains an overview of the FUPOL features and their business value in policy design and implementation. The first FUPOL feature is complete data integration. This means that the central repository integrates data from multiple source systems such as statistical data, GIS, and social media. It provides a single common data model for all data of interest, regardless of the data source. Applications are integrated through an enterprise service bus. Data generated in one policy lifecycle are used for the next step. Likewise, FUPOL has a unified graphical user interface to social media, GIS, hot topic sensing and visualization, which allows access to all functions through a web browser. The FUPOL Unified Integrated User Interface has two major benefits: unified look and feel and single sign-on to all applications. This simplifies the use of the system and improves security through centralized authentication. The Policy Indicator Dashboard visualizes indicators and flags if they are below or above thresholds. The dashboard is intended as a tool to alert decision makers and provide an overview of the current state of policy domains in the city. The Policy Indicator Dashboard is an efficient tool to monitor policies on the management level. Social network aggregation is the process of collecting content from multiple services, such as Facebook, Twitter, Blogspot, or the FUPOL Opinion Map, and pulling them together into a single location. The postings are displayed in a single window, which means postings from various sources are displayed on the same screen. Hot topic sensing is a web and social network analytics tool that analyzes data from social networks, newspapers, forums, blogs, etc. Also, a summary of postings is created, which reflects the opinion of the postings in brief. The topic sensing allows a quick identification of issues which are not yet on the public policy agenda. It allows a better recognition of citizen needs. Moreover, the ICT-based method is much quicker than manual methods. The purpose of the consultation feedback platform is to facilitate the idea creation and analysis. Communities write ideas, comment and vote on them. Finally, the most promising ideas are selected and implemented. Though similar to a classical IMS, the FUPOL Community Feedback Platform is augmented with novel features that extend its functionality beyond what is normally associated with an IMS, namely with advanced analytical capabilities and sourcing from various social media. In FUPOL, various visualizations are used to visualize time series of single or multiple variable data, geolocated variables on maps, or the combination of various visualization types, for example, to compare and identify relevant and influencing indicators. An innovation in FUPOL is the automatic identification of appropriate variables, namely the main indicators and explanatory influencing variables belonging to a certain policy topic. For the automatic identification of the variables, advanced algorithms based on fuzzy cognitive maps and multiple regression are used. Advanced visualization means a cost reduction because it enables stakeholders to evaluate data quicker, leading to resource rationalization, greater productivity and efficiency. Visual social data analysis refers to the analysis of social media information. FUPOL supports the social network analysis, which enables analyzing social network and identifying opinion leaders by measuring and mapping the relationships and flows between people, groups, and organizations. In all stages of the policy lifecycle process, it is important to know the structure of the social network related to a certain policy issue and identify opinion leaders, follow them, and eventually also contact them directly, which is called peer influencing strategy. With the visual representation, the process of information acquisition and finding relations is more efficient. The knowledge database tools enable a user to search for knowledge in different external web data and internal football sources and find data which belong together. The visual knowledge database of football provides, among others, a visual search ability for proving the given information and compared to the web knowledge. The visualization decreases the time effort of search and exploration and provides an efficient tool for the increasing amount of linked open data. Football supports active social media usage by providing the means to post messages to various channels called social media targets at the same time, without the need to manually use those sites directly. This means less manual labor, reduced costs to reach a broad audience. Now we will have a look at the football opinion maps. Opinion maps are interactive electronic maps that can be integrated into almost any internal or external website. E-citizens can post opinions by interacting with that map. The opinions expressed are visible to others, which can comment or post other ideas. Simulation enables a virtual evaluation of policies. A simulation tool has the advantage that the impact of a policy can be tested in a de facto laboratory environment and evaluated to decide whether a certain change is desirable or not. A fuzzy cognitive map represents a system as a network, showing the direct causal relations between its elements through arrows. It is a quite suitable tool to represent political systems and support related decisions, because frequently important information may be missing, be unreliable, or be vague or conflicting. FCMs are very useful to provide a better understanding of complex policy issues and alternative solutions. Football supports the use of fuzzy cognitive maps with a specific tool. Thank you for viewing this video. For more information, go to one of our information channels: www.football.eu, www.facebook.com/football, www.youtube.com/footballtv.